Would you believe me if I say Summit One Vanderbilt beats the New York skyline viewing experience from Empire State Building, even though Empire State Building is world famous? Well, I'm going to give you a tour inside Summit One Vanderbilt and you will see for yourself why I said that. Also, I will keep sharing some tips and tricks which will come handy during your visit to Summit One. So, the moment you enter the building, they will check your tickets and give you these wristbands. Shoe covers on, ready to go in the queue. Next, they will show you a small video about the building before taking you to the lift. Once you reach the lift area, you will start feeling like you are about to travel in some spaceship or something, like you are part of some sci-fi movie. They have set that area like the space, light, sound. In fact, the whole ambience is set in that way. Take a look. Whoa! Oh.
We're on 91st floor.
You will come out on 91st floor from the lift. I have to say this, lift experience in itself was a banger and you will come out to this view. Entering this floor felt like I was entering into some mirror maze. It was mirror and glass all over, from floor to ceiling, wall to wall, no matter where you see. It was mirror, mirror and mirror everywhere. Here comes my first tip for you guys. If you're visiting around daytime, even during sunsets, carry sunglasses. That's the most important tip. You will be on such a height with reflective glasses all over. Just carry sunglasses. You will thank me later.
मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो आप? It's a mirror maze totally. And इतने सारे लोग हैं, हर कोई नीचे लेट के फोटोज ले रहे हैं एंड नीचे लेट के वो ऊपर अपना रिफ्लेक्शन ले रहे हैं कि इस बिल्डिंग में आप कहीं भी टर्न हो जाओ आप दिख जाओगे. नीचे फ्लोर पे, ऊपर सीलिंग पे, बाहर वो पूरे न्यूयॉर्क की स्काईलाइन का व्यू है एंड इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस इन इटसेल्फ. टोटली वर्थ इट.
Next tip is, what should you wear? Well, wear anything you feel like or you wish to. But the tip here is for my shy female friends. You can dress keeping in mind that there are mirrors on floors too. So you might wanna avoid short dresses or you can dress carefully. Also, avoid wearing stilettos or heels as they are not allowed inside because the floors are mirrors and glasses. Let's move on to the next level and they call it Affinity Air. Next tip. What's the best and cost-effective time of the day to visit the building? Well, 2 hours before and 2 hours after sunset, they charge you extra amount on regular ticket. But If you don't want to pay extra and still wish to see the sunset and night view here, I have a hack for you. So we booked for 2:30 p.m. and sunset was happening around 4:30. And once you enter, you get around 2 to 3 hours. Since it was winter time, we got to see sunset and night view both, as it gets dark very early during winters. So you can also keep these things in mind while planning your visit here and get the best out of your park. Well, my last most important tip here is don't spend too much time on just one floor, because other two levels are equally gorgeous and you have great photo opportunities everywhere. I am speaking this from my own experience, as we spent most of our time on this floor itself, and when we moved on to the other levels, especially the one which is open, I literally regretted for not going there a little more earlier. Oh yes, one more thing. Do check out their washrooms. Their washrooms have some very gorgeous views and those same glass walls, and you will get the photo opportunities without any crowd around. And you will thank me later for this. अभी हम आ गए हैं टॉप फ्लोर पे. दिस इज ओपन, बिल्कुल ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है. एम्पायर स्टेट बिल्डिंग. दिस इज क्रेजी.